Talent Search Cymru is back.
Feeling like a fallen soldier up in this club. Feeling so stressed out, what it'll ride in the buzz. Hoping that it's all changed so I'm not stuck in this rut. It's not good, it's not safe, but it's all that I know. Looking around and seeing all those smiling faces, everybody thinks that it's so contagious. But in this moment I'm alone and no one knows that that's just how it goes. I'm in an ocean of commotion, but it's all in my head. Nearly 22 now, but I'm surprised I'm not dead. Not due to drugs or violence, but this mental silence that is playing so loud without a license. I might say it's guided. I got so used to the voices I can't stand the void, and it's mad. The ones I thought had my back, so they two colours through cracks. And if we expect the unexpected, no it doesn't get corrected. When neglected, I'm the same thing alive. I just need to be selected. Hope you're all doing well tonight. Anyway, best of luck to you all. For now on, the future. When I get up on the stage, I'll be feeling nothing less loud and really easy in the heart. Feeling like a rock, like God thrown me to a pond. Got so many songs to play the body, I'll be feeling like I'm born. So on the outs, not to me immortal, trying to get back to the point where I'm feeling like I'm normal. Not a problem on his face, but in his mind it's quite the opposite. And damn, I guess he's getting mad, sick of it. Sipping spirits for the heck of it. Feeling sorry for himself, cause he knows where to play it.
Round of applause, guys, for them. Kelly, let me come to you. What do you think of Benn's performance?
Please don't be disappointed with that. Please don't be disappointed with that. We've all done that, and I mean, at the end of the day, you've got a lot of lyrics to remember, and you've written them yourself. So please don't be disappointed, because what you did do was amazing. It really was. It was. I just felt like it was really, really vulnerable and really, really emotional, and I think that probably, helped you, forget, if you get what I mean. When you put in that much emotion and you're that vulnerable in a situation, because you're writing how you feel and you're saying that to us, and we're listening. Does that make any sense whatsoever?
Yeah, I get it.
So that's scary, But I think it's so important. I thank God for people like you, men who are taking a stand and talking about mental health and raising awareness. And so I commend you for what you did, regardless of the fact that you forgot. Honestly, it was incredible what you did.
Zoe?
Yeah, please don't beat yourself up over that. We're only in the second week, for God's sake, do you know what I mean? Your writing skills are incredible. When you sing an original song, you automatically put yourself in a vulnerable position. It's not an easy thing to do, but I love the message in them lyrics. You are really good at writing these emotional songs and making. Well, I can't speak for them, but I'm guessing they feel the same. You make me feel something when I watch you perform. And you were using your space as well, you were moving around. It was nice to see you much more relaxed. So yeah, well done. Don't beat yourself up over it. It was brilliant. Well done.
Yeah, unless you've done it, unless you've actually put pen to paper and actually written from the heart your own personal piece of music and song, you'll never understand how hard it is to get out there and actually share that with practically strangers. It is bloody nerve-wracking. I can't tell you how much respect I have for you for simply being here right now and doing that. On your second week as well, man. That's a big step. You should be proud. Doesn't matter what happened there. You should be very proud. Kelly is 100% right. It was the emotion. Don't think of yourself, beat yourself up and everything. That emotion is good. That is good. And the only thing you have to do now is control that emotion so you can put more of that into the song. Because I was feeling it, man. I'm not a huge rap fan. I'm a bloody theatre singer, man. I don't know anything about what you're doing, but I know great music when I see passion when I see it. Your diction is fantastic. I feel every word that you say. I can feel the emotion oozing off of. I can almost see you writing this song and feeling everything when you're doing it. When you came on stage, you're like, hey, this is my original song, it's good, I'm great. It's It's so natural to you. You don't have to oversell. You don't have to fake confidence. This is all natural to you. You're a natural performer. Be proud.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ben, similar things to what I said to Lily earlier on, which in a way I'm glad that happened to her. I'm glad this happened to you. And let me tell you why. Because this is how we learn. This is how we learn how to handle pressure. This is how we learn that we need to be more prepared with our lyrics, our performance and everything. All this is just a learning curve at this point of view. You are learning to, broaden your talent in front of an audience. You're learning how to display it, how to come across. This is what happens. These things happen when you're in a position like this. It's all learning curve. The good thing is you're in front of people that still can see and appreciate what your ability is. And you have creativity. We did say it last week about in terms of how you write your lyrics. It is very, very skilled. We just need to get all this brought to life now. It is a competition at the end of the day. We're only 2 weeks in, but I want to give you the heads up because you definitely need to be showing us step up, step up, step up. So whatever it is that's made you kind of be in this position tonight, with how you felt then and whatever went on, calm it out. If it's because you put in too much words in, maybe strip the words back a bit. If it's whatever it is to do with the preparation of what you're doing up here, slow it down, break it down, and put it all back together so you know what you're confident with coming up here. That's all you need to do. Don't have too much pressure to yourself. You don't need to. Come up here and enjoy it because we enjoy what you were doing. So that's all you need to do. Chill and just come up and enjoy it. All right? And let it all come out because we know, we can see it, we can feel it, we know it's there. Bring it.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.